Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Response to Reading. I'm so excited to see what you are able to do with this week in Response to Reading because you're going to look at some poems that we have enjoyed together in class this week. So here is your job for Response to Reading this week. You're going to add a sketch slide to your digital reader's notebook, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. Then you're going to find one poem in either the Barefoot Book of Earth poems, On the Wing, or Shape Me a Rhyme. You get to choose. And you're going to add a picture of the poem that you choose to the slide. And I'll show you that as well. And the very last thing you're going to do is write at least 2 sentences telling what this poem means to you. So let me show you how to get started. The first thing you'll want to do after finishing this video is go to your reader's notebook, your digital reader's notebook. This is available in a place for you where you know how to access. It's a little bit different from my class probably. And you will just click on your reader's notebook. Once you do that, it will open up. You will then want to scroll down or click Writing About Reading and scroll to that last blue page in your reader's notebook. Once you do that, you're going to click the arrow next to the plus sign, or if you're in the app version, there will be a button right here that you can add slides as well below all of your slides. Depends which you're in. If you're in the app, it'll be down here. If you're in the web browser, it'll be this arrow. And you're going to choose the one that says Sketch Response to Reading. It's right here. Once you do that, it will automatically add your sketch into your reader's notebook. Then you'll want to go back to your Response to Reading page and choose one of the books that you would like to look at today to choose a poem. I'm going to choose Earth Poems. That was my favorite that we've read so far. And you're going to make a copy, and then you will have access to all of the different poems that we have looked at together. Maybe your teacher hasn't had a chance to read them all, and here's your opportunity to do that as well, to find one that you like. Once you find one that you like, I'm going to go to this one. I love Emily Dickinson. So I'm going to choose this poem, and you're going to go ahead and take a screenshot of this poem. So you can do that by pushing the screenshot button or by clicking the home and power button. And then you're welcome to crop that picture as well. And you can do that in your camera settings. So once you've got that picture, you're going to go back now to your reader's notebook. You'll click Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. And when you do that, you'll choose your picture of your book, or your poem rather, and it will go in. And you'll want to size it so that it fits over the box. Then on the right side is when you are going to be doing that next part, which is to write 2 sentences about what the poem means to you. So you'll be able to write in this box by double tapping. Please make sure that you start with capital letters, you use periods and punctuation, and it can be more than 2 sentences if you'd like. If you need to see the poem a little bit bigger because your picture is a little small, you can always go back to that copy and see it in the larger version. Once you've entered in your 2 sentences or more, hopefully, you can go ahead and leave this reader's notebook because it will automatically save. But please make sure that you're doing good quality work. You've got capitalization and periods, and your sentences make sense. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Tomorrow in Response to Reading, you're going to have another opportunity to look for poems, and you'll have more book options, and you'll get to do something a little bit different with your poems. Your teachers and I are so excited to see the thinking that you have about poems.